The Wisconsin Supreme Court ruled that the Wisconsin Peace Act does not apply to UW Health, keeping nurses there from having collective bargaining rights. WMTV's Ashley Wheel talked to UW nurses, talked to one of those nurses that's part of the union and fighting for these rights to be able to negotiate their contracts. How are they feeling about this decision?
UW Nurses United, who are part of SEIU Wisconsin, said they are disappointed by this decision, but they will continue to fight to restore bargaining rights and for better conditions for these nurses.
It really is bigger than just us.
Colin Gillis has been a nurse at UW Health for 8 years.
Becoming a nurse was one of the greatest adventures of my life.
And he's ready to fight against Act 10, the state memo that restricts collective bargaining for most public employees.
I think Act 10 was an assault on workers across the state. I'm going to continue to work as hard as I possibly can to provide the best patient care that I can as a nurse and as a union leader.
He says with collective bargaining, they could make sure they have safe patient ratios, fair compensation, and better advocacy for safety improvements to better take care of the people who are walking through their hospital doors.
Strong unions are the most effective tool we have as healthcare workers to ensure that our patients and our communities aren't forced to contend with ever worsening standards of care.
Gillis says the Supreme Court decision impacts the rights of all workers in the state, not just nurses.
Act 10 singled out UW Health nurses. It also attacked public sector workers, and that damaged the rights of all workers in Wisconsin.
Now SEIU and UW nurses will continue to fight through meet and discuss meetings or by pushing to change the current laws.
We're not going to stop fighting. I'm not going to stop fighting. And we need to overturn Act 10.
Currently, UW Nurses United have a compromised union mediated by Governor Evers in 2022, allowing them to hold meetings as an organized union despite losing their collective bargaining rights in 2014. Live in studio, Ashley Wheel, WMTV 15 News.
Ashley, thank you. Gillis says union staff and hospital administrators have a positive and collaborative relationship regarding today's decision. UW Health declined an interview but released a statement saying they appreciate the court's deliberate, diligent, and final review on the case. Others have also shared their disappointment in the ruling, including Dane County Executive Melissa Agard, who wrote a statement saying the outcome is a setback. Continuing, saying, quote, "I know this fight was always about more than legal interpretations. It was about fair treatment, safe working conditions, and ensuring that those who care for our communities have the support they need to do their jobs with dignity." She also said she will continue to support these nurses' calls for change.